Hello guys and gals, we're back with more Microsoft Sudoku with dailies to do for December 19th of 2023. Cool. Oh, I wish it wouldn't open browser windows on me. That's rude. That is just rude, man. Okay. Now, we have here, December 19th. Okay, we have 12 challenges left. 12 days left. 36 challenges. Yeah, that'll be 90, 36, and 54. So, let's do this easy one first. I need a palette cleanser. So we need 6 blocks, 14 moves. Okay, let's go. Let's see what we got here. We're only missing 5. Let's go ahead and check that out. Figure out where the 5 is. Okay. Okay, so the 5 has to be right here. Okay. That's going to hit 3. Okay, well, now let's see. We have 13 moves. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are 5 moves ahead. That's pretty sweet. Okay, so let's see. 1. We're missing 1 and 8, it looks like. Yeah. 1 and 8. So let's go ahead and check here. Okay, so there's 2 possibilities for 1. Okay, so first of all, we're just going to mark these. It's just easier that way. 1, 8, 1, 8. Okay. Now, let's see. What do we have here? We're needing 1s. We can narrow it down. Okay, 1s are really being annoying, aren't they? Okay. 1. Okay, so this is a 1 right here. This is helpful. That tells me that this has to be a 1 right here, obviously. So, anyways, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 9. So this has to be a 7 right here. We'll do that because it does hit a block. So we'll do that. And this has to be a 9. Okay. So we have 1, 8, 1, 8. We have 9. All we're missing is a 2. Let's just go ahead and do this. There. Okay, so here has to be 1. This is definitely a 1, so let's go ahead and do that. So we are still 6 moves ahead, I think. 6 moves ahead. Okay, so let's see. We have 1, 8, 1, 8. We have 1, 9, 1, 9. So let's figure this out. Missing a 3, which has to be right here. Okay, so first of all, let's solve this if we can. Okay, so this is a possibility for a 1 right here, it looks like. 2, 3, we're missing a 4. Okay, well this can't be a 4 right here. But one of these could be, so, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're also missing a 7. 7 doesn't help us much. 8 doesn't help us much. Okay, so we're gonna skip, probably. I don't know anything about this. This is 184 or something like that. So anyways, we'll come back to that. Okay, we can probably solve this. We're missing a 3, which has to be right here. 4, 5. Okay, this has to be a 7 right here, actually, so we know this can't be a 7. If anything, we can probably solve this. 8. Okay, let's check. Okay. Wait. Seriously? Okay, wait a minute. 1. 1. Okay, so yeah, okay, that's not gonna be as easy as I thought. Okay, so let's try this. We're missing a 2, which has to be somewhere. Let me see. Okay, 2. Okay, so looking like 2 has to be either here or here. Let's check 3s. I think this has to be a 3 right here. And this has to be whatever's left over. 8, 7. This has to be a 6. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2. This has to be a 2 right here. This can't be a 2 right here. So let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This has to be an 8 right here, apparently. 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I think this has to be a 4 then. And that means this has to be whatever's left over. 8? I think this has to be 8. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, okay. So we can hit that one once. Okay. We need 1s. Okay, that doesn't help us. 3s. Okay, that does help us, because this has to be a 3 right here. And now we just have 1 or 9? Huh. This has to be 9 then, because this can't be 9. There we go. Okay. Okay, and we get 300. Let's go. Halfway. Okay, up next we'll do this hard mode next. And we'll save the easy for last. We need to complete 4 columns with fewer than 3 mistakes. 4 columns. Alrighty then. 4 columns. Let's go ahead and have a look here. Notes mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well that tells me this has to be a 5 right here. Interesting. 7. And 9. Okay, well, this is either 7 or 9. And this is either 7 or 9. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, 3, 3, 3. Okay, I'll check 4s. Well, we know this can't be a 4 here, so one of these has to be a 4. 5, 6. I see 2 possibilities for 6 here. 7. Okay, so this is 4, 7, 4, 7, which tells us that this is 9. Okay, and that means this is 7. Okay. Okay, so we have 4, 7, 4, 7. Now, what's missing? Let's see. 1, 2, 3 possibility, 4 possibility, 5 possibility, 9. I guess that 9 is what's missing now. So 9. This has to be a 9 right here. Okay. Means this has to be a 3, and this obviously has to be a 6. Okay, so we then have 4, 7, 4, 7. Okay. So we're missing 2 numbers from here, one of which is a 2. I guess we'll just have to mark that. 5s. Okay, well, it's 2, 5, 2, 5. Okay, let's see what else we got. Let's try this one across here. This has to be a 2 right here. Okay. 3. Let's check 3s. Okay, so 3 isn't very helpful up here. Okay, let's check 4s. Okay. 5, 6. Okay, this can't be a 6 here. This can't be a 6 here. So we have 2 possibilities for 6. 7, 8. Two possibilities for 8. Right here and right here. 3, okay. 7 of those are missing. That's great. Let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7s. Okay, maybe 7s will be a little bit easier. So let's see, this one, this one, this one. So I have 2 possibilities for 7 here. So we can go 7, 7. We're also missing 8. Okay, we know this can't be an 8 here. This can't be an 8 here. That means this has to be an 8 right here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, so this has to be a 3, I think. Yeah, good. It means this has to be a 4. Good. Okay, so and this has to be a 7. Good. Okay, now let's see what else we can do here. Oh, we do need a 2. Okay, let's check the 2s. Okay, there's this. Okay, so there's 2 possibilities for 2 here. Okay, we can work with that. 5s. Okay, let's check 5s. This. Okay, well this has to be a 5 here. Nines. Okay, let's go ahead and check nines. Okay, so there's a 9 in here, so these can't be 9s. This has to be a 9 right here, actually. And this has to be a 2. Okay, so we can probably try and maybe solve this one. Let's check. Okay, we need 2s. This has to be a 2 right here. We also need a 3. This obviously has to be a 3. Okay, and this obviously has to be an 8. Let's figure out where the final 8 is. Oh, this. Oh, well, wait, we can just solve this 5 and then 2. Okay, so now let's go notes mode and figure out where the final 8 is. We should be able to solve it pretty easily. This is gone, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. This has to be an 8 right here. Good. Okay. Sevens. 7. 7. Okay, so I see 2 possibilities for 7 here. Okay. 1, 2... Okay, 3 is still probably going to be annoying. Okay, let's check this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so one of these has to be a 4. Good to know. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This has to be a 4 right here. And this has to be a 9. Okay, now we can almost go across here. We need 3. Of course. 4, 5. I think 5 is it. Okay, so this has to be a 3 then. That means this has to be a 6. And that means this has to be a 3. Okay, so we should be able to solve this now. 1, 2, 3, 4. This has to be a 5. Good. We can go across here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 2 possibilities for 4. Let's go notes mode. 5, 6. Okay, so 2 6s. 9, 8, 7, 6. This has to be a 5 right here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let's figure out where the 9s are. That's not very helpful. Let's figure out where the 9s could possibly be. This is gone. This is gone. This is gone. So this has to be a 9 right here. That means that this has to be a 9 right here. That means this has to be a 4. And that means this has to be whatever's left over. But we could just go ahead and solve this because we already know. Okay. Up next we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 3, 2. This has to be a 1. Find out where the final 1 is. Okay. That has to be right here, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's find out where the final 5 is. 5. Okay, it's this blue shape again. Okay, so this. Okay, this has to be a 5 right here. Okay, let's check 6s. This has to be a 6 right here. And, okay. For starters, this has to be a 7. And this has to be a 6. Okay. Okay. So, that wasn't really too difficult, thankfully. So, 900. Okay. We have an easy one left, so let's get this one done. And we're back. So let's see, we need to do what now? Oh, 3 rows. Okay. Rows will work for me. Let's see, 1. Just has to be a 1 right here. 4s. Okay. 6, 9. Okay. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. 4. Okay. This has to be a 4 up here then. And this has to be a 3. Okay, so let's see. 1s. This has to be a 1 right here. 2, 3, 4. This has to be a 4 right here. 5 has to be right here. 8 has to be right here. Okay, now let's see. we can basically win now. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All we have to do is count. This has to be an 8. There we go. Under a minute on that one. That's pretty cool. That gets us the gold badge. Cool. Okay, as you can see, we've done every single challenge today. We've done every single challenge this month, and that's going to do it for this video. If you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I upload. Also, if you want to support me in any way, or if you want to join the Discord server, all the information will be in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, everyone. You are loved, and have a great day.